The cabin air filter in your 2022-2023 Honda Civic is located behind the passenger side glove box in most models. Its primary function is to filter out dust, pollen, allergens, and pollutants from entering the cabin, ensuring better air quality and AC performance. Replacing it is crucial for maintaining a healthy environment inside your vehicle, improving air circulation, reducing allergens, and preventing musty odors. Neglecting the replacement can lead to reduced airflow and potential mold growth, costing you more in the long run. Experts recommend annual checks, especially if you live in a pollen-heavy region. Replacing the cabin air filter is a straightforward DIY task that takes about 10 to 15 minutes. First, park your vehicle on a level surface and turn off the engine. Open the glove box fully and empty its contents to prepare for access. Locate and remove the glove box damper or stoppers by pushing inward or unscrewing any clips. Gently lower the glove box to reveal the black plastic filter housing behind it. Release the housing clips or screws to pull out the old cabin air filter. Insert the new filter with the correct orientation, following the airflow arrows which typically point downward. Reassemble the filter housing, glove box, and test the HVAC system to ensure proper operation. Remember to check for debris in the housing and ensure the new filter matches OEM specifications. Regular replacement every 15,000 to 25,000 miles or 12 to 24 months can save you $50 to $100 compared to dealership labor and prevent costly HVAC repairs.